Removing an M.2 air baffle. If applicable, remove the internal drive cage. Refer to the Removing an Internal Drive Cage Assembly video for the procedure. Unfasten the 2 screws that secure the M.2 air baffle, and then remove the air baffle. If you need to separate the front and rear halves of the M.2 air baffle, press the nubs to disengage the rear half. For configurations with an internal drive cage, install only the front half of the M.2 air baffle. Note: for proper cooling and airflow, reinstall the air baffle before turning on the server. Operating the server with the air baffle removed might damage server components.